Bitcoin, how it works and how to get started for beginners. Before starting, let me get you to visit the channel for further basic videos about cryptocurrencies and their ecosystems. Now coming back to our topic. Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency, allowing people to send and receive money over the internet without relying on banks or governments. It operates on blockchain technology, ensuring security, transparency, and resistance to fraud. If you're new to Bitcoin, this guide will help you understand how it works and how to get started. You can also watch the video about blockchain technology in detail. Link is in the description. How Bitcoin works. 1. Decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority. It runs on a peer-to-peer P2P network, meaning transactions happen directly between users without intermediaries. 2. Blockchain technology. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This ledger is maintained by a network of computers nodes and ensures that all transactions are transparent and immutable, cannot be changed. 3. Mining and security. Bitcoin transactions are verified and added to the blockchain through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, securing the network and receiving new bitcoins as a reward. 4. Private and public keys. Each Bitcoin user has a public key like an account number and a private key like a password. The public key allows others to send you Bitcoin, while the private key is used to access and spend your funds securely. 5. Limited supply. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins, making it scarce and valuable. This limited supply prevents inflation, unlike traditional currencies, which can be printed indefinitely. How to get started with Bitcoin. Step 1. Get a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. There are different types of wallets: software wallets, mobile or desktop, apps like Trust Wallet, Exodus, or Electrum. Hardware wallets, physical devices like Ledger or Trezor for extra security. Online wallets, web-based wallets like Coinbase or Binance, less secure, but convenient. Step 2. Buy Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin using crypto exchanges. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or Bybit allow you to purchase Bitcoin using fiat currency, USD, EUR, etc. Bitcoin ATMs, machines where you can buy Bitcoin using cash. Peer-to-peer P2P trading, buying directly from other people on platforms like Paxful or Binance Exchange, etc. Step 3. Secure your Bitcoin. Use a strong password. Always secure your wallet with a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication to FA. Adds an extra layer of security. Keep your private key safe, store it in a secure place, and never share it with anyone. Use cold storage, hardware wallets, or paper wallets. Keep your Bitcoin offline and safe from hackers. Step 4. Use Bitcoin. Send and receive payments. Use your Bitcoin wallet to send and receive payments worldwide. Invest and hold HODL. Many people buy Bitcoin as a long-term investment. Trade and earn. You can trade Bitcoin for other cryptocurrencies or participate in Bitcoin-related activities like staking on some platforms or lending. Step 5. Stay updated and educated. Follow crypto news websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and CryptoSlate. Join Bitcoin communities on Reddit, Twitter, or Telegram. Watch YouTube videos and read guides to stay informed about market trends. Conclusion. Bitcoin is a revolutionary financial system that offers freedom, security, and decentralization. Whether you want to use it for transactions, investment, or trading, learning about Bitcoin is the first step toward financial independence. By following the steps above, you can safely start your Bitcoin journey and explore the world of cryptocurrency.